In this video, I'll show you how to trade cards in Monopoly Go. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, in Monopoly Go, trading cards is a fundamental aspect of the game that allows players to negotiate and exchange property cards to complete sets and earn more income. Alright, so how do we trade cards? Simply, this is gonna be the first step. Alright, so open the game and click on the album right here. And that's located towards the bottom of your home screen, right? You'll then be presented with a screen that allows all the cards you currently own, and you'll be able to see how many duplicates a particular card is right here. And you can have tap on the card you want to trade and you'll be given a select a friend, right? Then on the select a friend option, this is a list containing the names of everyone you have added on the game. Alright, and all I have to do is tap the name of the friend you want to trade with and hit send. Alright, also it's worth noting that you're unable to trade gold cards because all you can do is hope that you're lucky enough to obtain one, but that's the way you trade cards with your friends in Monopoly Go. Remember guys that in trading cards, you have to make a smooth negotiation. Alright, you have to both players agree on terms, complete the trade, and you have to record the trade. Alright, keep track of the trade to ensure the game's integrity. Remember which properties you've traded and with whom to avoid confusion later on. Continue playing, and that's how you trade cards in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.